Hi, this is Swati, and in this video, we are now going to see a very important question on section formula that every time comes in the board exam. So, in my previous video, I've already explained how to memorize the section formula, how to remember the section formula in a very easy manner. Now, let us come back to the question. Find the ratio. So, whenever you are asked to find the ratio, you will always assume the ratio to be k is to 1, always. In which the line segment joining the points, let me draw a figure, it will be easy. Joining the points, so our points are given 1 comma negative 7 and 6 comma 4 is divided by the x-axis. So the point that we have, it is divided by the x-axis. And what is the point on x-axis? It is x comma 0. And the ratio we have is k is to 1. Now, once we have this, now we can write this one as x1, y1, x2, y2. This is x comma y, and these are the ratios m1, m2. So if we have the figure in front of our eyes and if we write all the label, we will never commit a mistake in substituting the formula. So now the point is x comma 0 is equal to m1. Let me write the formula. m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by sum of the ratios. This is for x coordinate, and m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by sum of the ratios again. Now this is x comma y, which is x comma 0 is equal to m1, which is k into 6 plus 1 into 1 by k plus 1, comma, again k into 4 plus 1 into minus 7 by k plus 1. Let us simplify. So x comma 0 is equal to 6k plus 1 by k plus 1, comma 4k minus 7 by k plus 1. So once we get this, basically we need to find the ratio. To find the ratio, we need to find the value of k. So here we have the value for y coordinate. Y coordinate is 0. So we can equate both the y coordinates, which means 0 is equal to 4k minus 7 by k plus 1. So equating the y coordinates, because we had the value for y, we cannot take x coordinate, because if I take the x coordinates and equate them, I will have two unknowns, which is not easy to calculate, right? So equating the y coordinates, k plus 1, when I transpose, it becomes 0. So 0 is equal to 4k minus 7. So 7 is equal to 4k, or k is equal to 7 by 4. So now once we get the value for k, the ratio here will now be k is 7 by 4 is to 1. So this can be written as 7 is to 4. So this is the ratio, 7 is to 4. So basically, whenever you need to find the value of the ratio, whenever you need to find the ratio, you will always assume it to be k and 1, k is to 1, and then do the question as it is. Okay, all right. I hope you have understood the solution. Thank you.